can't believe the benefits of lion's mane.
Lion's mane mushroom is about to regrow parts of my brain that doctors said were impossible. Lion's mane contains hericenones and erinacines, compounds no other food has. Watch them absorb through your intestinal walls faster than most supplements. Hour 2. These molecules enter your bloodstream and do something 90% of supplements can't. They cross your blood-brain barrier. Your brain is about to change. Hour 3. Your brain starts producing nerve growth factor, NGF, at 300% normal levels. This is miracle grow for your neurons. New brain cells are about to be born. The impossible happens. New neurons sprout in your hippocampus, your memory center, your regrowing brain cells. This isn't theory. This is happening right now. Your myelin sheaths, the insulation around nerves, start repairing damage from years of stress and aging. Brain signals that took milliseconds now travel 100 times faster. Beta-amyloid plaques, the toxic proteins that cause Alzheimer's, start dissolving. Lion's mane is one of the only natural substances that can do this. Your dementia risk is dropping. Acetylcholine, your memory molecule, increases 40%. Watch your memory circuits light up. Names, facts, memories you forgot. They're coming back. Your amygdala, your fear center, calms down by 60%. Depression and anxiety symptoms decrease. You feel calm, focused, clear. This is your brain optimized. New neurons growing, myelin repaired, Alzheimer's plaques clearing, memory sharp, anxiety gone, focus peaked, all from one mushroom. Your brain just evolved. Do this daily.